Hey, it's Jack from Alphacharts with a stocks to watch video. Today is December 8th, 2024. Before we get started, this video is for informational purposes only. These are not recommendations to buy, sell, or hold any stock or security. And I may hold positions in some of the equities mentioned. Know your time frame and risk tolerance. Thank you all for watching the video. If you haven't done so, please like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. You'll also find me on X at Alphacharts365. I'm posting things all week long over there for free. I do have a $10 a month membership subscription. It's an educational subscription membership. I do things like I share my extended watch list through an in-depth market report for subscribers. I do a focus list video where I take that in-depth again, my extended watch list, I narrow it down to usually 5 or 6 types of names, annotate those charts, share those annotated charts as well as the short focus list video. I do market updates on market notes on Sunday and Thursdays. I do also midweek videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Every other week, I've been doing live casts. I had one yesterday for subscribers where we go live and through the chat they ask me questions, ticker symbols. It's really user led, member led, a live cast, and that was actually one of my favorite things to do. Daily posts just for subscribers, market scans, all that for $10 a month. Really the best deal out there. If you think this can help you, click on that subscribe button right there. No strings attached. It's month to month. If you are only a YouTube watcher and are not on X, I get it. It's absolutely fine. I offer actually all the same information when it comes to videos and annotated charts. I do it all for the YouTube members as well. Right here, click that join button, same price, $10, same information as far as that goes. So no matter where you're watching this or catching this, there's something for you. Again, the content is all there. It's $10 a month. It's the best deal out there. Going into the charts now, let's start the video. I think we were in a strong uptrend. For now, that could change Monday. What do we know, right? But for now, this is an uptrend, and so we'll go with the information we have. Everything looks good, and so I think we should be looking for things to buy. So first name is SoFi. SoFi, nice big uptrend. There's the flag. I did get shaken out on actually this wick right there, but if it can break above this trend line, that potentially could get me back in. Looks really good. So SoFi breaking the trend line, bull flag type of action looks really good to me. IREN, breaking this. Let's just zoom out here for a second. That's actually a very old note. But yeah, if it can break above this area, I think it could get into this 23 or even higher area, right? We don't know. 23, 25. So that's a nice little area. And I love the higher highs and higher lows this whole way, right? From the 2022 low, 2023 low, all the way up. It's been higher. Again, not an easy stock to trade, but a breakout here would be pretty significant, I think. Reddit. Reddit. If you haven't been in Reddit yet, again, me and subscribers, some of them are in it, some aren't, right? Again, everyone makes their own decisions on their trade. This was actually a note from last week. It absolutely did awesome last week for us, and now it's breaking out to all-time highs. So yeah, if this continues higher, I think we could buy, we want to be in it, right? Anything moving to all-time highs looks really good to me. So if it continues higher and if it breaks below this day, 148-ish or so, we don't want to be involved in this name. So Reddit is looking really, really good. AFRM, Affirm. Again, you can see right here. I mean, we don't have to go very far, right? If it breaks above, 72, 75, 73, something like that, right? This consolidation right here, I'll break above it, and I think we can be long Affirm. If it falls back below 68, 75 or so, 68.50, we'll call it 68.50. I don't think we want to be involved in this name. So that's the parameters I'm putting on it for myself. And again, you make the trade your own, right? If you like this one. But yeah, above this area right there, call it 73. CRDO. So this one moved really nicely here, big 48% move. Now it's kind of consolidating. So if it continues higher from here, so it breaks the high, it was 75, 32, above that, we could be involved in this name. And if it gets below $70, I don't want to be involved in it. Again, it's a little bit of a wider risk, so position size accordingly if you're interested in this one. An inside day would actually be perfect on this, inside and up. We don't always get what we want, but that's what I'd look for in this one, CRDO. If it's not, and it may not be ready yet, but definitely is watch list worthy. ALAB, another name that me and subscribers are in. Again, if you're interested in what my notes look like, this is one from last week. This is where we got in. This is our risk, and for this one, because it's going to all-time highs, we say just trail the stop, right? Just trail the stop. Don't stop yourself out too soon if we're in a bullish time in the market. And it was a nice winner for us last week as well. I don't think it's done yet, though. I think there's a lot more in the tank, especially if it gets above 121 and a quarter or so. I think we could be involved in this name again or even add to it. But again, it looks really, really nice. Movement, strong name, good volume, good accumulation on the chart. Solid pick. So there you go. ALAB. Next up is FRSH. Here is Fresh. Freshworks, it's a computer software company, I believe. You had a big 28% move right off of earnings, and now you have this beautiful consolidation, and then there's your trend line. If it breaks above the trend line, I think we could be involved in the name, and I think it gets maybe to 24-ish. So that's a nice 50% move. If that happens, again, we never know with targets, but that's just where I see it going potentially. And then maybe if it breaks out from there, it could even go higher. We don't know that yet, right? But first things first, I think that would be our first target, is 24-ish if it breaks this flag and moves higher. Viking Cruises, VIK. Here's Viking Holdings, and I believe it's Viking Cruises is what this one is. But again, you got this beautiful flag in an uptrend, and I'm telling you, all the baby boomers are spending their retirement. There is no inheritance, right? They're spending it all on cruising, and this chart I think affirms that, confirms that. Again, a little flag right there, break a little flag, moves higher. I think that looks really good for Viking Holdings. Again, nice little move right there. And the last one I have is Dash. This is DoorDash. Never used it, but the chart says a lot of you all are using it. And there you go. That's what I see. This break above this area, I think we could be long this name. Really, in the end, we had this cup and handle style breakout right there. Giant base, right? 42 to 142. And so, maybe it gets up to 230, 240, right? That's a nice move. That's a nice move still left in it. It looks like it's got something left in it. So, yeah, there you go. 10 names for you, stocks to watch. If you haven't done so, please check out my subscriber group right there. $10 a month, super chill, super good. Join right there if you're YouTube only. And you all have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.